The Nijjar case. Now, as far as Hardeep Nijjar's killing case is concerned, the Canadian cops have arrested 3 Indian nationals in this particular case. According to the Canadian police, the arrested people are Kamalpreet Singh, Karanpreet Singh and Karan Brar, who faced first-degree murder and conspiracy charges in the Nijjar case. The investigation is still underway. The probe officer says that the matter is still active and it's being investigated at the moment, and they're also looking at the links with the government of India. Further adding to this, Canadian cop added that the men arrived in Canada on temporary visas after 2021. Then some of them had come on student visas, but none of them were believed to be pursuing an education in Canada. Neither had obtained a permanent residency. In fact, we have reactions also coming in. Let's listen in.
The following 3 individuals were charged for this homicide. 22-year-old Karan Brar, who's an Indian national, who is residing in Edmonton, Alberta. 22-year-old Kamalpreet Singh, who is an Indian national, who is also residing in Edmonton, Alberta. 28-year-old Karanpreet Singh, who is also an Indian national, residing in Edmonton, Alberta. We will be disseminating photos of these accused men in hopes of any information in relation to their presence in Surrey during the time of the offense. This investigation does not end here. We are aware that others may have played a role in this homicide, and we remain dedicated to finding and arresting each one of these individuals.
Rishabh, my colleague, is joining us live on the broadcast. Rishabh, of course, shocking news coming in from Canada. 3 Indians have been arrested in the Nijjar killing case. When can we expect a response from the government of India?
Well, as of now, Government of India has not officially responded to these arrests, but the sources suggest that India is yet to receive any credible and specific information about the Nijjar killing from Ottawa, which has yet not come. But if you look at the press conference that RCMP and the other officials held hours ago, things that need to be questioned. Justin Trudeau, the Prime Minister of Canada, has been talking about credible allegations, credible proof against Indian government. But after repeated questions from journalists about Government of India indigence in this killing, the RCMP was not in a state to respond affirmative to it, which shows that as of now, Canada has not found anything that relates these accused with Government of India. If these accused were on temporary visa and were found not studying, why were they not deported in time? Even the opposition party, the Conservatives, have said that they are relieved that these arrests have taken place, but the government should have ensured that this could have been foiled before it happened. So definitely the Canadian police, the Canadian government right now needs to answer that A, if that visa was temporary and they were not found studying anywhere, why were they still in Canada? A. B, they kept saying that we are sharing proof with India. Where are those proof? India has been asking for them since 19th of September. There hasn't been any proof that has been shared with India. Indian External Affairs Ministry, Indian investigative agencies are still waiting. On contrary to that, NIA, National Investigative Agency, the premier investigative agency here in India, has shared lists and dossiers of gangsters in Canada, Indian gangsters in Canada who are wanted in serious cases, serious criminal cases in India. At least 8 of them have not been acted against by Canada. That is something that India has been saying. And that is the reason India has been saying that Canada has become a safe haven for anti-India activities and, for that matter, terrorism. Remains to be seen whether Canada will respond to that or Canada will share proof with India. As of now, the sources within the Government of India say that they haven't.
Well, absolutely, and India is still awaiting Canada that, they shared some sort of concrete proof, which they are yet to do. 3 people arrested. Of course, we are awaiting an official reaction from the Government of India as well.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile?
It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
But plates?
Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus technology से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स, टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.